What's going on, guys? My name is Alan Merville, CEO and founder of Music Play, and I am sitting here with the legend, the prodigy, Grammy Award-winning instrumentalist, artist, and now producer, Mr. Corey Henry.
Glad to be here, man.
What role did music play in your life in high school?
Music has always been important to me, but going into high school, it became super important to me. I had just lost my father going into high school. Held on to music as hard as I could because it seemed like it was the only thing that was consistent. My first Art Tatum album from the Virgin Music Store.
Yep.
I listened to that record all the time. As a matter of fact, I remember when I first heard Art Tatum, I was like, this is fake. I thought it was dumb piano. It just changed my whole approach to everything.
Wow.
You know, having that left-handed, I was like, wait a minute, I can do this? Oh my God. So,
Is there a particular way that you just approach life in practicing that helps you consistently grow?
first thing, I just think it was a gift from God, you know, and I can't take any credit for that. Beyond that, I think that the opportunities to be able to play in so many different bases, that progressed me. I think when I first started, I was very meticulous. I was trying to get all the notes and play exactly like Art Tatum or whoever I was listening to. But I noticed something clicked for me when I went from trying to play the whole entire record to like zeroing in on the parts I like.
Feeling when musically you're just in the zone and the ideas are just flowing? But for me, Corey Henry solos are the best representation of being in the zone. And in fact, with over 100 million views, his solos are literally the most watched piano solos on YouTube. So I was super excited when I recently sat down with Corey to pick his brain on how he develops his sound. He shared insights into his unique approach for piano improvisation and even provided a couple of his secrets that are game changers. Listen, I want you to hear the full interview. So if you want to hear from Corey about all the key moments in his life that made him the world-renowned musician that he is today, then click the link below for exclusive access to my conversation with him. It's only available for a limited time, and the link below is the only way to access it. So check it out and enjoy.